kiro kino enjura egwire mu kyo bayiro tingihulire
tugihulire ati niwe kunyumire
enyumire
kunyumire habo nsonga omuntu enjura bwe gotagihulire kimanyisa otro you had a good sleep
oba just obambiyamba bugenze egwire sankazi ngaho
nanyo tinkengena bwe but around I think musaha munana mwendo
hata nubonda nibani nkyagwaho
ati ninyo wetu
aho nomba ninkyagwa bayida kusana njure kine cyane kutandikiriza ninkyabyama
ati ninyo ngwaho kubyama saha 10 obu 12
ati waho gihulirege bagota kabyamira
obu 12 then henjire guirege eri two kind by the way omiyaga niko gusokege kutera gubairege so kind of scary you know kuterege guri gwa amani nibo enjire tandike kugwa but omuntu wena bukabyamwa otahulire njire guire okakyenye kyaka bakagamba njire guire your body be sense gejuka mu buri gati guno gusensinga like you know nature what is happening then ni gukoreza good sleep no byamira kim completely
bagamba egenjura yekire nyumirwa abafumbo
ati mutamu baitu nyine kinkura gashobedi amanyo kimanya kigera maiso wakia
ebe byakuonka
Enguraga kigenda maisa abantu bagamba boyibona nyoma lenye heyo mugarali ngenda ko heyo mugarali yo muntu
nkuraga ni ba commenting ngangu team Julius na Kileya
omusajja bakamutuhereza ira abantu bakakutuha so nyona genuinely tudakurole
but you see that means people should mind their business.
Yeah, people should mind their business. Okura nikija kugambire buli wanteza hane mpaka ngukwa hano. People have baina kunaka kubaza ni kugamba baina kumindinga their own businesses.
Otherwise some of us we are here to confuse you. Tomorrow you think I'm married.
Nsakuba status yanga. Ni postinga ngam my love, the love of my life, blah blah blah. Inamanya this girl is taken. Tomorrow can ni postinge gamba unyobo join it is very fine to be single. It is I'm very contented.
You confuse them.
You have to confuse people so that niwo wege kumindinga their own businesses.
So some of us we are there to confuse people. Ati nikokura iwo bairono ga anti you married empeta yange linka
anti katokura akagamba kana ka married omuntu ayina kuba nempeta then kinu kyokufuna abana babande mukabazara mbaketa bata na ikaro mwaumuka
cohabiting
for how long
cohabiting but me nyongera nkwenkira ku advising abasajja bara botaikara manno mana abanda batamanyiro otamanyiro mwabo.
Yeah, that's true.
Mana abandi when you want to take a step kwikara nawe. Kendo kolejja se kimweta kubunga.
Yeah, kubunga is fine. Nanyo nikiyo kurora nyo omusajja babayizire kunkwana. Kangamba Kileya, oyikaire nka. Ni mugamba nankayo mwaito kaleteyo zinga. Tibakumanyiti.
Banzo lekikyo kusasura omukaga, But you know.
Okula nabojja kubungwa. That means okula omuko mwanyi bamanyire this man has a right over this guy. Hata nyo nikiyo nkugamba okota izire mwaito kubugamba Kileya, ntwaro omwanyi. Take me I see your man. With small stuff.
Ati kandi nabayisikire begira akakodi obo kwijja kubunga akukwatirizaho. That is why kubunga kwa biro bino it is more of introduction. Okusanga kubunga bateire mu tent sinke balesere bintu
bikire iwe abantu bakuzaja rating ebintu
benyakagwizo muyisiki omuyangamba ntaimao abantu tibagarukaga baka kujja kubunga introduction aragaruka
ati kikumanyisa omusajja natage nagaruka izembe just kubunga kikumanyisa aito manyire sometimes abakazi ite omuntu bano orwiru
but you see it is good ikara no mwana abandi
anti tubano orwiru tuta litari rede bwana batali rede muhigize kyonkano mwikaraho oina kuijo maitu
ekyo nakyo
kamo ina kuijo maitu omusajja wena bokimuteka mudino bine ebintu binyuma muno omusajja kwegambire kireyo manyi
kinyuma muno but you see abasajja abandi truth is tuina kusindika busindika habukuba omukazi of course afiringa insecure kuba naiwe omwabo batakumanyira
okakengo kagamba by the way this was needed
but omusajja ina kimanya bumanya
anti era omusajja nakimanya bumanya aliho bana bakuforcing oja kuija
ati nyoka mbaga
ngamene bebaira bokuijo maitu na yangana oijo
hati
Akola nyoni kyo nyanda baruru.
Aha, kiro kimu. Mali olaka baswiro bakaba musoga. Omukazi ataka kumuferekera. Oba muferekera ogamba omusajja omwabo omukazi bamumanyi.
Akola
bakamusasuza omulambo. Bagumusasuza. Bagamba sasura.
Bamugamba zinga.
Imagine sente right of course busy bunkebe mukigisi bunkebe machabo kumaraga kugambia sasura milioni nkata utakyeta kyo kusandara
era boinaga sasura bwenso
so some of abasajja bajja kubasasuza emirambo
abamu bakubayibanga ole watweriro hali ibiro mwana wabandi mugaze abamu bakubayibanga ni babadupa dupa ni babakwara. When I want to take a step kugamba kanyikale na kireya nsobora kugamba nti tinyina sente nyingi zira but let me go amma bukireya bamanyi bazaire bamanyi banyandule kireya once in a while yes kireya once in a while ngambe kwata etano eno kwata ene sindika mukaba gule enyama you know something like that but you know ikara no mwana wabandi what I know now waja kondola I have someone there bambi chali takaliyaga but he treats and abyanko bugamba his woman. My mom knows him but not like physically mbamrole but he knows him through the messages
na abaza na unasindikira
amusindikira obutumwa sukari migati sente Christmas namuha Easter namuha mama is sick ngenda kumuhereza sente bumpo singa basika sinagamo manye clear ya mama wawo tomorrow omalogo labe ha give us you pick this and this and this obumutwalira takali yaga takakoragaki but he shows like omukazi ono era no wabo kagamba clear no bora batoka genda ngaya
mazire kasumik
now it's almost like 5 years kiki
bati ataka kwenda okiyamani muno kuruga myaka 5 ataka kulijaga baitu ikara nateka
anyenda lo mtu kwenda omuntu do you know that you have a soulmate sometimes
and ebe bya soulmate bikale really why would you kwikaza omwana
being a good man
wama birugeho
wamakwa thank you for being a good man ja kumara bajenye mungu bante kaine kwengenda kuswe satawaga bakingo mugamba
maybe arabati maybe arorakasani nabayoko ali wenka na malira arongera kaisani
ogo musajja by the way mu buntu ngobo
obo bora abantu bwarora na malira otherwise
obo biyambira kimu these days
but me even 1 year
1 year ago over even 2 months okuba bihoiro
hatika kugambire nyoka kugambire kireya it is I don't know whether it is a weakness nyonsa kuro miskini mwegomba bwandika kugambaho maybe I want to meet you kangamba you are busy second time you are busy
obitaiswe
nimbitaisa tindemeraho hata romu isiki
nyonyende byo kunkwane ebyo mbiendera kim
hata romu isiki
okuna na ndemera mbiendera kim ebyo they turn me on
hata romu isiki nkagenda wa Kampala okugenda Kampala nyamuterera nyamugamba please where are you I want to see you yangamba ha abo kwanka bampikira isabwire bo ikiro sanka mukago oko yangamba I'm sleeping yangamba okay ingo ati nkaura na nyumya mbanywani wembukika mubihiza yangamba malo omusajja ogwo natandemero nokundemero kunyesengereza manya biki
banye ndonga bebe okay
not Julia because at let me tell you
people are different
they are different because let me tell you tuba na options
ati nkugamba liyo likuba tena option na
tuba na options no gamba to
no option tubabole
kandi
na options tubabole
kandi jukaho arohorede nakurwana alemeireho
akurwana
akurwana nuwoterere
niwoterere alemeireho naenda mpaka
abe naiwe hatobaho no gamba ono bwakwanga njya kuterero
ani kikubaka intasi kuba kuno ni inchura but kina na
abakazi wa makamba gambira basajja tu in options these days
na abakazi wa mayubi with options kuna nyonyi na options
it is okay ebyo gamba tanyesengereze
mwaka kunyesengeza kuno abaya kunyesengeza ngamba baby
hatogenda kwijorede minds zange za muvingira
by the way Charlie there is by whatever oba how can I say boje bino ya kundemesa abako nyenda kanganyire
kolera abantu
nyomba gambire omusajja nyendo musajja kunyesengereza omanye ngakugamba I love being pampered
ka baby
ebyo ku spoiling ebyo mbaaho have you ever been there mulinga outing omusajja nagamba baby are you tired you come and I carry ebyo nibyo nyende
akuhimbe mba
ampimbo baby you come and carry me nebyo kuba mujwahire you're going to the car nagamba baby omanyire tinkwenda you move okay to dibatamu no like moving let me carry you to the car
ati there is a time nyonya kwa ino mwisiki
omusiki ngo kutomwenda that's such kind of love
tinko bisobora
abakotabisobora toida
tinko bisobora the truth is ntakunyumizo obanka kinyumizo omwisiki kiro kimungenda kumupiking ntwakinga gate nchimire ndabanga gamba ikara mbo ya yemera nyabwa ulinzire mbundinziro ruge mu nkinguliro rwigi
you know how that is romantic bayira wakura
nyowe nkinguliro rwigi nyamugamba kale katurobora atakwikara yitwa ikara until when we are
using I had someone I was dating you know you are spoiling it by the way I have been ngena mu motoka za abantu when I'm opening myself or rig nkagenda kura from nowhere I was umuntu yarugamu kabani manya maybe tukaike na bayi tugenda kura ngamba babes get out kuronge mno yantegezana kurunginya kurunakora
nyafoka mukozi wawe nyafoka
tikiye tamboli mukozi ninyonya bakusora bakazi mukani mutanika bakozi obuhinyambo bakozi
tibuli buhinya buli muntu akola obujunanizi bwawe
buro okurura Julius nyowe if I'm married to someone nikyo rank ngambambu characteristics z'omusajja wange okuba ningenda nkukwenda like to settle with aina kuba like my friend wise you get it live around bine byokweyenda byogamba manyangu tuli romantic together but tulina banywani to an extent imbu tukusekera things nke byakubihiza abantu abatakozereki abatali banywani we are brushing off some things ebintu ebimu omusajja ono bwakubali mukalo niwo omusajja abenko bugamba my woman is cooking she's in the kitchen and her clothes is totally folded let me try to help her ngoye zino folding ngeke stekege wardrobe okay ngene emere I'm going to prepare let him help me to prepare the dining table before I serve the food
atika nkugambire kino iyo kimanyire arabakazi bangi muno tibabyende ebyo kubayamba
nyo kubyenda
bangi muno era arorano musano kumurabya mu amaiso usano no gamanti bakazi bangi muno kumukwatira manya abikibiki arorano cyane kumurabya mu amaiso
Kubaha when the man is like babes kino kikoze in the right way ngama yeah because in the right way kino because yeah me I want a man who's going to be my friend hey no you have to hug me from behind you know have zabo jenyemere no ekuyasazinga the food is smelling so nice
no mwana natistinga no munyi
hey then from there you pick them then agaruka ina lindeme
nyeki manyire abakazi bangi ebyo kubaza oti babyenda abakazi tibali banyakiyaro tibali banyakiyaro bo baba bamanyiro emani
abasajja bako kimanyire muri ya some men abali very strict in makagabo but when they are coming to this cold side chicks naba very romantic very fun ina hayo his child is
anti galimaka
anti hura
galimaka
live alone kuba galimaka kuna kuba very comfortable free to do whatever he's missing to do
ata anti toli mukazi wo muka
ani nikiyo kugamba nyo when this person akumuhereza that freedom
eyakumisa freedom omukazi oyinda kumuteko principles Amune mkazi ne muteko
principles za muningo katugeza ati no soiro kunteka principles za muningo
kubanza za kuteko principles tindia zihingwire sai satu
which is fine ejo nkuba ninkengana nyoti ngenda kuliya saa zigenze obwire bugenze because that kuliya mera obwire obo like beyond that time that is kind of weird
principles nyingi za kuteko principle tinduga mukanta nywire breakfast
which is fine
obokorota
which is fine that we have men
niko kuromba buli musajja bana principles ezimu yamba kulema amakage
atino kimanyira no musajja agenda kwimuka very early in the morning by the way I had a guy I used to sleep dikanya mjenda muno kubiyama I used to sleep for a long time of like inimpikanko msaha mkago but that guy akabali he's umuntu ina business yaye he's well off na imuka saa haitana taja kunye mkiandi mkitabu mkyaliyo mbyami na imuka kurungi nagenda mu kitchen na atera amahuli na ategeke migati na gisiga bluebird na chumba mata na ijana nyimkyana ngamba babes you come we take breakfast
Mujungu.
Black man
nyabe timbisobora ekyo kubanza
nda breakfast you can be different and the world is moving on
ndabantu abikora ndi nyenkare ndabikora nti abo kuba yoro
nkugambire babes ijo oh you know what then ibona mpabuza are you going to cook
nyono mukazi
are you going to cook lunch or you eating outside
nyono mukazi kuntuma timbye bidu yogama nti ndeterayo kino
ngamba babes help me with this
ati let me tell you
anokire kyo ngamba bora bano jamu koma londe taking that is not
nyebi ati nebe byo kuntuma ekyabintamisize I had someone arobi yantumagana ngamba ndetera kino no kimuleta na atakisima ni mpuro obutima gwange ni gwabika nyagamba atebyo nyahura bitami because abakazi
basito ngamba kati this guy niwe wobo tumide something nagenda in a supermarket na kutera video call obali mu mall na kutera video call na akolekana ngamba is this what you want ni mugamba hey you pick that one this one like that nagena na sasa kulungi na bileta muka and you're well off kulungi munu when you have kana okurora when you marry someone who is your friend you're joking with them trust me tumuja kubana issues
ekyo kujokinga kili okay baito ko komfora muhinya wao
akuti buli muhinya that is what we call love and bulikiro nyoni kutumbira that you love them omanye tu we have a different type of how we want to receive love you can get it ukimanyali mabakazi agama nyo msanja baba takuntera matakura businge mbaka you get that
bali mbomuga mukazi nagamba kasajja atantera abatakunyenda
kati me nyo msanja akuntera that is a poison to me
nyewe kupampalinga nikale mulingo ba describing a gentleman I'm not a gentleman
you're not a gentleman ana kuba gentleman in your way
I'm not a gentleman I'm not a romantic man I'm not if that is what describes a romantic man, a gentleman, I'm not.
A gentleman ni omuntu kati wakaikaraga with your lady and you listen to whatever she's telling you.
Nza kubihura baitu
utakubigamba ngo kumtayiriza mu like you know nagamba babes this and this and this and this nagamba okay that's fine.
It is story.
To work on that. No like talking manye mubaho like sometimes minakuba ona okubaza nkogamba you know couples you sit down you talk not about when you kala all the time when akubaza have your chorus and things like that no mubaza on things in kuba atino nkanyonsa kuba ndia when I have something disturbing me either mental or physically kati ni feeling like I want to talk to you about it
that is okay
either maybe I want something from me I want you to do for me something
that is okay I feel appreciated I feel
yes, like I want to,
you're putting me over everything
kati ni baho ni ngamba babes I want this and this atalo manyala usajja ngamba I want this okay
no that is okay because as a man I am the head nyina kukenge
but there are some things in ambalo kunkengere bitagenda kwataga
no obo kungamba nti wewe tugeze aro contract yenkwenda kukwara erieti how do you see it
kategori bya contract bya business wise that you can advise a woman kubokuba na ambalo kura like it is like you know akwetaga mu you know nanyoni ngikengani ngamba hanu berege like ikisobeze mu that is right then alobi nekubyo gamba personal stuff nyine kintu kinkwenda ofunire bya some men abefa aho bonka when they are self-centered
kufunire ntano maisaki
self-centered niko kugamba wakwefa wenka ebirungi byana binakuba haliwe woba kuba naende kintu kinakolebo when you want something ni bajja kuteka betuli ekyo kiyaki nyoti nkone bya kumalira obwire kinyoti na nabali tingenda akikora no bana yende otatingenda akikora but we
no ideally omuntu wokwenda must have the best that is okay
kati we have men when ayenda oburabo olibasira hand burabo beni yonkorokoye you gift him burabo ni yenke kaito you gift him but when it is your turn when you have to first ask kandi no boku mu asking anagamba nyoti nyina sente nyo yotingenda abikora ebi baite byo tingenda
oiro nyoka nkugambire kino kireyo nyoko ndora gifting is okay but nyaro omuntu yabintamize no mutwalira natasima no nagamba like
omoja kabili kakatwalira omesike bintu yaikageto bisiya mukama mbikutumire
arugalekyo nakitwara wetu na kiri kirungi hati what nyokwe halebi ngamba let me give you money you can't buy your ekyokwenda
which is fine even giving money is fine mungu wankusabire kitu
abukuba nyokire really nsagenda nkarura my understanding yobana nanka yange kapase yange nkarura ebagene jamunyumira
okagire
ngamba mali this is a good bag nkagire tokangamba
kati
singo kusire ya red singo kusire ya yellow ate
no as a man nyokura me I can't date a man nkale nkalema ntamanyire his favorite color nkalema ntamanyire what he loves nkalema ntamanyire bikibi ebimu getting excited nkurabira nka like to make him excited ati naliyo nkabana abenda mu emipiira automatically you know team ya yene eti omujozo ogulo nigo guti when you bring it
gifting jaze na bitu
nyote ka gifting aga muntu jaze by the way they gift me
boxa misipi wallet
I am birugo alona kine kyo kwika when I know exactly color of my man no mungu anemfunire ekintu manyire hi either akabaza kine kintu nikyo kienda muno mu relationship
atinyebe byengo yebyaha atinyaro mukazi wenyarozere ka giftinga boyfriend we emipira ye motoke nayo nanda ifo yes
and of course katokura nikyo ngambye mu kutuwa mu relationship
hate ekyo taina mulinga araye kwasa
ati nikyo ngamenya kwa mutuwa mu relationships zino kienda muno muntu abe aina big ear yo kuhura umanya tuba mu relationships zino nzakuja nitubazanga olutukubaza binu
ninyowe empire ke
aha ningihura my man ningamba le misi ningena ningogolinga how much empire ngamba kandi ndem like you know nzike zine sente obwire bune emipire enu musakwa nikora kinisobola purchasing ningi kuhereza you get it sometimes you gift according to what they are lacking or what they want ebabaindi babazaho ebyokurura hoye kyonka tuna abantu relationship ni munyumia from January to December na yebona okwebango kabazaho maybe you want something either you want
kandi me I think nabakazi they should be more of eriso lya basajja kukengera munabasajja abokuba limited you this kidayo kuturora naturally itu abasajja
mwenda bakenge
twenda kutukengera aro weakness zetwine iyo
kimengere mumani mugenda kwenda kamutasoka kutoyabuzaho kandi mwenda kwenda
ekyo kiriyo kekyo bwenzi leka kugambe naturally iyo do you know naturally abasajja aro weakness zaite zetwine obuntu nto obutito tito iyo kimanyo omusajja nsakurora itizoke kujwara boxer for 5 months no nindro kiriyo kebiki you understand hati if you're not omukazi atakusa kukengera omusajja like boxers zino zikuzire kampu purchasingire zindi ati obuntu ntoga
but okura this love yokuletera omukazi wao kukufaho kukurora like kinu missing in my man's life let me provide it kibesingira according to how you're treating that woman you get it omukazi okotoli mulabya kubi niwo kugoboigolera niwo koleka tinkufayo bo bayireke bokozero you know we have men abakazi babo ni barwara no muka na kakasage nagaruka muka kyonka amanyira berege nakapa trust me really love yo gambo musajja wangu ono kankwate mukulire kinu ngenda agihanga iwe tokufayo iwe niwo musajja agenda agaruka you know like it is nice omusajja baba garuke muka nagamba ndabira ha supermarket aho nyangamba kamba ite obusoseje manye obusoseje bahala give us kamba ite obusoseje kamba ite ekin cause as a man you have to know mukazi wangu no nyabaye ni mukwana kiki yaenda gamono ati no kula me am fan of things ikogamba ice cream tinda fan wa chocolate nda fan wa ice cream era person baba nagenda konkwana he automatically knows that cause niwo muntu ngobogamba bakutera what should I bring for you ngamba ice cream kati
yona
butuku banu
tugonze naye nerabaho nega
era ice cream ene ya dido fido dido
arona bino burabaho buno
fido dido obo bwa binaminka bunte texting butastinga
no but me I like kana kakibateka mwako kakoni nyenda kalia
akati alimezi na mobukoni
I surely want to eat that thing
ali bitanura
kama akandu kibateka mukano
akakoni nkamanyire then aliho bunura ni busaranga biscuits of corn then aliho bitanura completely
ato bunurubu
so omuntu wena musajja wena bagaruka muka when he's carrying something for the woman there is how you get excited kinamalinga kikugaza no mumudu kogamba even if you are not in the mood of the other thing
but still kigaruka yo hali kiri women appreciating boku nsima okandamya nobukuba ndesira ka sausage kam porukumi kezinga
it is fine nanyani kyo ngamenya kugamba
okandamya malaika wange
my man kirugirenga hadero kutekereza ho
okampikika kyanyuki abakurungo okanga ingambo ati genjanja kwijja ndisombe
nanyani ko nyakugamba there are some men who don't deserve that because tibabi kora ndenda kuramya ntota akikora
and when I do it
and when you do it when you do it for the first time me I can't fail to appreciate a man who is spoiling me like who is giving me stuff no bukakora katitoka ati
kire yali abakazi abatasima
abo ni nakuleka ho
they are women who are not appreciative
abo no binakuleka ho no mwinagaza ho nyangu gambira me a man can't give me Nkala the man has really given me nkale man I'm appreciating era nkuleka mukala ka respect kaga but no enda nkumanyire nkujuoge bota kumpa no teka orugezigezi no enda kumanyire I will never respect you no kuzinira hankinso I will never respect you no wakwana tandi musaija wenda kupectinisa I will never. When I'm asking for something, you know, kinyima ningenda kulamba
nyabakazi benkugamba bakusinga they don't appreciate nyabe manyire bayingi because let me tell you
gendo nabo akayaya
no banzo huli omukazi nakusindikira message nagamba wewe kwenda emitwalo nk'etaano ngoye it is okay what maybe let me deposit back and withdraw from my number naziyayo aligaruka message thank you no gamba what kind of understanding omukazi ona kutekereza ki na gamba ayebirwe ati bulkatebere kuzinsa
ati bujuka whenever you get some
really
sometimes okula nyowe by the way me I may forget right now but again I come back omanyenye kumbafunire money there is how I get excited
you forget to text and thank you
ura there is how I get excited to an extent by mbani tekereza pa nitanga planning this money ngenda sikosa no ngenda ngena ndiye muki no ngenda ngena call it
no
like that but then later on ninjuka ngam oh baby I didn't appreciate this guy I go back but on actual weeks that is a bad
Kumanyisa then that is your intentions were to get money
why wouldn't I get money
and you use me
not using you getting money from it is not using
can you bino player mukozesa abasaija
muno
using me
muno
very many women are using
you how
they are using
let them use you in the bed leave alone giving them
you know they are using us yo kimayikireya araba kikya bakwijja naga Julius Ogo I must eat Julius
kana ngoro lali homo iski akwegombe ayegomba guy it has ever happened to me and I feel like someone is attractive
ninakumulya
ndim ovulation ningamba ninakumulya nikinkana ninakumulya bajo yenyewe
twalende
nkani ngitwali I just want to feel like you know omanya ovulation is making some kid to do a lot of mistakes by that I look at you Nindura when that is when I'm going to use you that's when I'm going to use you mukwan
they use me
Bonanga it happens
nyabakazi
mukihu wao and you see a man looking like a total nuisance to you ngama
abakazi
sometimes omanya boba in ovulation there is how you can talk to a guy no mweleza attention guy na manyira kimbanange if I don't stay with this girl ndasigala noha mukwano you make them fall in love with you but later on ovulation hoido nojana kulira fanya tukienda kubaza nabo the guy is invested
egiwe kyo kubaza kyenyini kireya it is true omukazi ogakuba nakurura nagamba Julius Ogo nyina kumulya
no
nakura buli kimu kiona bakumara kulya swi
but boje nyo hati nu kati nu enye murabani mutulia wewe na enye mwine byanyino gamba wewe
so hati wamanye wamakamba gambiri batabani bafalawe nse hindukiremu abakazi nabo bakutukozesa
nane munika mwatukozeze na utiza watani it is our turn tit for that tit for that na it is our turn
meni mwegendereze
busa kwegendereza kuona
mwegendereza abakazi bakukozesa gaba
but we are not bad people
you are bad
alama nyebere bintu ngenze kula internet buli ya supporting gamuno girl child bojenye ne girl child atin kula god these days boy child na yemu gitekerezo
boy child
gamba it is turning the world is turning
boy child baina gitekerezo muno muno
abatekereza mu
akokuwa these days it seems we are becoming a weaker sex
how
hapo satulwanirira
muna kwerwanira mwefuyo nete kuntu kwerwanirira nenya mlinka mukwerwanirira ati mukwana tulebe kwerwanirira tugaruke kurwanirira kandi
nyewe tunkwenda kutandika organization ne kurwanirira abasaija
nanyonja kutandike kurwanirira abakazi
iyo kimanyire domestic violence people think it is always against women but arona abasaija bali okuba kubatera ebikonde kubatera empi ati kandi besides domestic violence people even think it is violence physical kutera biki baitwara abasaija bakugoinga through a domestic violence yebigambo
n'abakazi
mama
okumanya ali abasaija bakungana kira n'abakazi
baliyo baitu in most cases abakazi nibo bakusinga kungana
tokasanga gamusaija tokadetinga oga musaija aino runwa umanyo runu ngoro abakazi ali musaija timukaba dating oga naye twembe tabuli kimukiona have you ever been in a relationship oli kwegamba we aina kutokesa 24/7 you start even feeling honey you abuse by the baga
nyeke manyira
kuhura like you're not fine all the time. No urota kwenda kuba near them because all the time baina complaining baina kujuma yo baina koleka you're inferior you're this
baitu na abakazi no bakusinga
abakazi kusinga
kurangira obwenzi yo ikaire mbwenzi
ana lokubaza amazima alokubaza amazima oli musajja mwezi bolinga lima basajja wo bali kimanye lima basajja
tondinda tuli mu kisiika
tuli no kujweka kine akaskati nenda soka jali nguzi yaro maliko kaskati
mboto nanyoni kyo kimu
bayi kama aseri kumbe
nikyo kimu twena nikyo kimu ati tukahangirwa nikyo kimu
oina kuba una limit at least ba yona abayisikinga aba babiri me I'm fine with being with the man aina yo musikondi
ati
kyonko buzibu nambali buba omusiko ogwo bayenda ku ntambala bayita nyondi muntu msakuba mu relationship eri abayisikibana but as long as I have peace tinkina obuzibu tingina obuzibu era ninyo omuntu
atakurumba
ninyo omuntu atakusobora genda kurumba omusikimbu manyire boyfriend wanga kumwenda je demba sangira hand and I just bypass them I go do my things full stop kala kajerasi kajja kuja mukakatite ko gama maybe wakubanga ndupire
ati we maybe omusajja takumwenda kiryawo
alina basajja
wenagira agira
omanyire mulingo nkogambire gena jenide na basajja bane bakwenda obusingi you get it omusajja bali kamuteka pressure yo kumuhondereza nambala kaginze oyendezo
nigwo munno aguli gwe mbaini nkugamba
niho bali kano kweta
kutamisa omukazi
niho bali kakwetamu but me you have by all these games sometimes zokulwana mentally ko isambe bikola mentally omusajja yendeze keep quiet
abantu obaramukizege
gati ndi baramukizege
baramuke tumaresho
abanyoro kati na babeta bakabana
abanyoro n'abanyoro kati
abanyoro n'abanyoro kati mbaramukizo ho tudde show yaitu tiniye nesembere mu mwezi bayidawo
baitu kwandaganiza kuntwara awo
nja kutwara out the next gun tinga funire musaha
ikara no yongezayo
tinga kuireyo
ikara no yongezayo no
tinga kuire bisajja tibikuzoka
bisajja byeteire sente zo basi
wa abakazi bakusana na kyabafuga mun
na kuroga
umanyira basajja bada mukani watira
kugabese lero no mukazi bakufuna ekisajja akirubatira
banyongura byo kulatira basajja bani bibi
are bikoraga
are bibi
nyenyi na basajja bemanyire bakabateeka mu kacupa bayikarani bagurukira
bibi
mwana wangu omukazi akamuteeka mu jupa agana guruke nagurukira mu ati mu kacupa ati
iwo kamururaho
yatika mugayiki hata mukazi waija yakugambira kiro kino kozere sente zinga
wazimu
kijojo kandi kya boda mbaziti yagaka kukebere umusokazi nakebere na mutanika hanike mikono na mupampata atogo nogamba tali muchupa
mimi manye mulinka nkigamba kine kitu because I've ever been in a relationship
naye omukazi nosajja
omusajja na omusajja nafuga no to an extent I'm not seeing anything wrong nakola bwenzi bwa mulingo nkakakwenda but india ho when I'm giving him money ndamanya account yanga alo sente zinga kati some men kirugira
kuba waza basajja mutasharinga pin na bakazi
mutaboleka baka I have one I share with a pin ndakula zinga izigenze yanga tagimanyira kangamba I don't want it but just see mine otole ezokwenda ntamuloge boje nyatire ebyokuloge eti bimanyire kibambo
me hotel I have mitwaro 10 million
anti kugambira olangamba baby I have 20m nze zitahire itano zao.
But there is how you talk about that world. Abashikene abali ahero kuno batekereze sound over what?
I mean to be differing by that way. Yeah, actually even to get men abakufa ukisigikira how you're treating your man. You get it? Twina gauza bakufuna abasikina gamanya we nyina business yangu toja kumanyira nyowe ndi manya CEO mlingo ko bana bayita ba CEO ndi CEO wakino toja kumanyira nyoto toja kunteka mateka. My dear, when you're getting a man and you want to control that guy, first show somebody so dominant towards him and show them that you know they are feeling that love from you. Trust me, msaja jakola na ebintu bitakunira
ati baraki.
My dear fellow watchers, viewers,
show yaitu yakana mwezi boile
mwebale kutuenda
bati mukatwenda mali watu kubekaka
mwebale kutuenda chali ba mtatuenda mukatuenda mujja kutwenda by force tubaho hano buli kyakasatu Julius Komuhendo na nyowe ebali yange elia kandi bali manye mali tinyenda ali basi baitu kandi
kireya
amanya tubaho hano buli kyakasatu program ekyabuzi litaito
bali yibala turubatira
kyonga mwebale kutugonza mwebale kugenda ya YouTube kutulaikinga ha TikTok chali mwongere mamani
mu group yawe rokaginte kamba
mutufole bakasuku ebaireke
abasajja ba complaining ngo abaki wantairemu
abanyira bakatandikira no complaining
abakijuri asini wa mtairemu
bakangamba kulungi bangamba ati no linga yabaina agamba
obarozire utamteka
baka bantu bamanyo bango ogenda akwata amahulu baje basange ha internet
agamba utamtekamu
then utaka kutaire malo yangambe kire yewe Julius Ogo ngenda amsanga mutomeri toki atusindikire bya maguzi
ati
akutera mutima wena
nyaga moje complaining ukantekamu nkubalemesa group njagirugamu mutafwayo Time usakuba ninya beti mali ninya kulemesa
kwaha omumba ndibize chali nimbebwa yebwa but weekend mbainire byakabi just no mubai
baramukiza aba viewers baira batali I'm not the problem,
he's not the problem,
I'm also there to feed myself.
Chali bye bye for today.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.